baby raisin in the garden today. So what I'm going to do today is harvest a lot of these zucchinis because got quite a few zucchinis, and I'm going to be cutting them all up, and I'm going to show you how I'm freezing them for the winter. And if you saw my last video on the garden, you'll know that we got a lot of rain here, which is just feeding these plants here. And so we're just getting so many zucchinis. It's one of the best producers. It's amazing. There's gonna be so much food from this. I just twist it off. All right. And then the other ones can grow. You can see there's other ones in there growing, actually. I might be able to get, how big is this guy? Yeah, this one's a pretty decent size as well, but we'll let that one get bigger. Not sure if you can see that. There we go. Yeah, we'll let that one keep growing. And then, yeah, we'll just keep pulling them. Then we can let them all take off. Wow. Here we go. Look at this, bee risers. This is just what I picked. And there's still quite a few more in there. And then I just got some cucumbers because I noticed those are taking off too. So I'm just going to start with these guys. I have some more inside as well. This is gonna keep me busy for a little while. And then there's gonna be way more to pick. Probably within another few days. So busy bee times. And lots of food for the winter for sure. This will be good for soups and stews and chilies. So let's go cut them up. All right, you guys, so the zucchini is sliced and diced on this side and shredded over here. And this is just some, you guys. I still have quite a bit more to slice and dice and shred. And so if you have an abundance of zucchinis, one thing that I do is I do trade with other people and I give some away. I trade food with other people, so I'll be getting like apples in return for zucchinis, and it's a great way to share your food amongst others. And then what I do is I freeze the zucchini here. So I don't blanch it. I just like quick and easy methods. So what I got is some freezer bags, and I don't got the big ones. I just got these, I guess, medium-sized ones. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be putting approximately 2 cups in each bag. And then that way I can just have the exact measurement, and I can just throw it in my soups, stews, and chilies. And the shredded zucchini can be used for healthy cakes, breads, and even zucchini fritters. And zucchinis are high in antioxidants, and they're a really nutritional powerhouse, high in vitamin C, calcium, iron, fiber, folate, potassium, even some of your B vitamins and vitamin A. It really packs a lot of good nutrition when you add it to your meals. So I hope this video helps you out, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. As always, be your beautiful selves, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh food, some nature, some gardening, and when you do that, we'll all be rising.